Let's go and claim 3 airdrops in today's video, so make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and let's say we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing though is my trade overall link. As you see here, if you did follow me from yesterday's video, we are in profit. And for everybody that wants to join, come and trade with me for free because you simply get a deposit bonus, which means that if you deposit $100, you get $100 for free. If you deposit $200, you get $200 position for free. So you're basically depositing and then trading with money that is not yours for free to get going. So make sure to come and join. The link will be down below. Super easy. And right now, yes, my position is over with link. I do have conviction that we will see the $30 very soon and then skyrocketing past that to $31, $32. So that is also where my sell is. As we see right here, this is going to be my long-term play in the coming week or so. But come and join me. 100% deposit bonus, free money for all of you. Come and join. The link will be down below. Next up, we have the Meteora TGE. Now, this one is something that a lot of you have been waiting for. We have already seen the allocation, which we already had the checker for, and here is the METTGE. So as we see here, they talk about the protocol, the point system, which we have already seen it, and I will leave you the link down below as well to go and check it. And now the TGE is here. So for the next few weeks, the focus is simple and hard, which means that in between now and the end of September, the TGE, it is going to be released. We're about to roll out our first of its kind airdrop claim on Meteora aggregator, so directly on their website, no third-party links nor nothing, and you will be able to go and grab it. So between September and October, as we see over here, it is going to come. Here is the TGE is coming in October. So they're keeping a wide range between the beginning of October and the end of October. I do believe within the first half of October is when we're going to get it, because October is a very good month and they know it and they're trying to play according to it. So it is coming in October, which is going to be probably one of the most highly anticipated Solana airdrops in circulation and for this year. Next up, we have the Avantis airdrop claim, which is also live. I will leave you the link down below and you can go and check it. Here is the webpage. Simply connect your wallet, and if you are eligible, you will see X amount over here that you are eligible for. If you're not eligible like me, you will see it zero. The link will be down below. Simply go and do it. You can claim and stake or simply claim directly. The claim and stake gives you a 15% APR boost at the release of the token. So very nice. One other thing that I do want to tell you guys is to come and join me over on Breakout. And here, live on the video, I do want to go and do a trade with you. I will open a, let's say, about a $62,000 position on Ethereum, and I will ask it for a long, because I do feel that we are in the situation to kick higher than what we were before, going to the 4,500. And why am I doing this with $62,000? Because Breakout is a prop firm and it allows you to trade with a $50,000 account for only $500. So if you make 10 grand on 50 or 10% on 50,000, it is a 5,000 profit. If you make 10% on 500, it's a $50 profit. So you see where the difference lies here. And you can also do it with a $5,000 account for only $60. You can do it at a $10,000 account for $110. I think the best option is a $25,000 account, the middle one, for $275. This is a really good deal. I did buy myself the $50,000 as you see here. That is why I'm able to go and do it. And as you see, this is why I do like Propform, because within the matter of 40 seconds that I've been talking to you, I'm already made $200 and $300. So if I was to sell right here with the X right here, you can go and close and I'll be in a profit of $200. So this is why I do like Propform, because you can make so much money at the same time. You can lose it, of course, because if it goes up or down, depending on where you say want it to go. But this is why I like it. So we'll leave down below. Make sure to utilize my code for a discount. You do get a discount as soon as you sign up to Breakout with my code, which you will find it down below. Very simple. And come and trade with me. And here we got it. As we see, super nice. I got the Ethereum long over here on Breakout, and I do have my Link long over here. So I separated two and I trade with both. Wix is a non-KYC exchange, while Breakout is a prop firm. There are two different things, but come and get the free money on Wix and come and trade as well if you make any profit with the free money over to Breakout or vice versa. But as you see here, I've already basically paid out if I wanted to go and buy another. You can, by the way, you can get multiple accounts. If I want to get a $5,000 account for $60 as a second account, I can already do it with the profit I made in 1 minute. So super nice. Link down below. Come and join. And the next airdrop that I do want to talk about is the Alenia airdrop right here. Now, I was able to claim directly from their site right here. Click on launch, check eligibility. And as you see here, congratulations, you've claimed it. And they are here. So what is my plan now with this airdrop? Well, I am holding it. I have high conviction that the Alenia token will go extremely up. Yes, I will keep it, I will hold it, I am not selling it. As you see right here, I do have it at the token price right here. And yes, at the, at the claiming, it went up, it's gone down, and all of those things. Absolutely, yes, it is part of the game. But for the long run, I'm not here to sell it. I'm not here to do anything. I am here to keep it. As we see, it's at 2.3 cent, more or less what it was when everybody started claiming. And I do see it because of the amount of people behind it, the amount of hype Linea created, MetaMask with the stablecoin behind it. I do see a bright future. I'm not gonna sell until potentially the 10 cent mark. Yes, 10 cent is where I will see it. We've seen it with Zora. We've seen it with a lot of other coins. If we go, for example, and see here, we've seen it with Zora, which went exponentially up for some reason, and nobody kind of utilized it. But this is what it did. Zora from the half a cent mark went all the way up to 15 cent, and I do believe because Zora has so much backing from Base and other platforms, it's inevitable that it did this. It went to 10 cent, then all the way down, then all the way up. I see a pattern like this created on Linea as well. So I will wait for the exponential raise on Linea because it's backed by MetaMask, it's backed by Chainlink, it's backed by many different protocols. And I do think that something like this is going to happen. You just need to sell it at the right time. Don't get too greedy, otherwise it keeps on going down. But I do think that this is the same thing that is going to happen to Linea. Let's see if they already have it over here. It's the same thing that is happening to them. So this is my opinion, and this is why I am holding it. I'm holding it for the long run. I'm holding it for at least 10 cent a token, which I do think is going to happen really soon. And I hope you will hold too. But with that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.